Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2025 Volkswagen Taos and I will show you the starter fuse and relays in case your vehicle is not starting and you're suspecting starter is the issue. This video should apply to Volkswagen Taoses made from 2022 all the way up to 2026 and possibly newer. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so the fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood just next to the battery, right here. Now to remove this cover, you will have two black tabs, one here, one on the other side. So you want to press each of the tabs and lift up. Once you remove the cover, on the back side you will have a small fuse puller. Okay, now the starter fuse will be this top 30 amp green fuse located right here, and these two will be starter relays. So this is what you have to check. Now if everything here looks good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to inspect the wiring and connections at the starter and possibly test the starter as well. Thank you for watching my video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.